Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable egusi soup easy guide. Begin by toasting and grinding egusi seeds finely, then heat palm oil until shimmering and aromatic. Add chopped onions, diced peppers, and your choice of leafy greens, stirring until wilted and fragrant. Pour in prepared stock, season gently, and simmer until the soup thickens and flavors meld together for a comforting, hearty dish. Heat palm oil over medium heat and caramelize the onions and peppers until they release a rich aroma. Add the ground egusi and stir constantly for a few minutes so it toasts but does not burn, which brings out a deep, nutty note. Gradually add warm stock while stirring to integrate the mixture smoothly. Finally, add chopped greens and simmer until the soup reaches a silky, cohesive texture that coats the spoon. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker link in description, which helps with timers, hands-free recipes, and playlists while you cook. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time shopping. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Taste as you go and tweak seasoning slowly so the soup builds flavor rather than overwhelms. Consider using bitter leaf for authenticity or spinach for a milder, greener note. Both wilt nicely and add body. If you like brightness, a splash of citrus or a pinch of cayenne lifts the dish wonderfully. Keep stirring occasionally to maintain a smooth texture and serve hot with your preferred side for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.